quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a kind-hearted widow named Alara. Alara had known hardship all her life, but her spirit remained as gentle as the morning dew. She had lost her husband many moons ago and had no children to comfort her in her lonely cottage. Despite her own struggles, Alara was known far and wide for her generosity. She shared what little she had with those in need, offering a warm meal and kind words to anyone who crossed her threshold. Her heart was as vast as the starlit sky, and her deeds of kindness shone brighter than the morning sun. One winter's eve, a terrible storm descended upon the village, blanketing the rooftops in snow and chilling the bones of all who dwelt there. As the howling winds rattled windows and shook trees bare of their leaves, a weary traveler knocked on Alara's door, seeking shelter. "I have nowhere else to go," the traveler said, shivering in the cold. "Please, can you spare a corner by your hearth for a night?" Without hesitation, Alara welcomed the stranger into her home, wrapping them in blankets and serving a hot meal by the crackling fire. The traveler's eyes sparkled with gratitude, and they shared stories long into the night, the warmth of Alara's kindness thawing the chill in their heart. In the morning, as the storm subsided and the traveler prepared to leave, they turned to Alara with tears in their eyes. "You have shown me more kindness than I have ever known," they whispered. "I cannot repay you, but I will never forget your generosity." With a smile, Alara replied, "Your gratitude is gift enough, my friend. Go forth with a heart full of kindness, and may your journey be blessed." As the traveler disappeared into the snowy landscape, a miracle unfolded before Alara's eyes. Where their footprints had touched the ground, delicate flowers bloomed in a riot of colors, defying the winter's icy grip. News of this marvel spread like wildfire through the village, and soon people came from far and wide to witness the widow's wondrous gift. From that day on, Alara's cottage became a place of pilgrimage for those seeking solace and hope. The flowers continued to bloom in her wake, a living testament to the power of kindness and the riches of a generous.
So we all learned that we should be kind, loving to people all around, and care for people with true heart and love. So this is the lesson we all learned about this story. Hope you all love it. Any comment it on this video so I should know the meaning of what you wanted to say.